What is baking and how to vote for the liquidity pool baker. This tutorial explains baking on QuipuSwap, how to start earning baking rewards and vote for a baker. If you don't know what is baking, please watch our educational video. QuipuSwap allows its users to delegate their XTZ while they are also providing liquidity and earning fee rewards. This is in fact an automatic process and happens immediately after you add liquidity. You do not have to vote to start receiving baking rewards, but you can vote if you have a favorite baker. Baking is only available in liquidity pools with XTZ. You cannot bake token to token. How do I vote for a baker? QuipuSwap allows you to delegate tokens at the same time as they are earning fee rewards in a liquidity pool. As tokens are added to the pool, you automatically start receiving baking rewards. You do not have to cast a vote for a specific baker, but you can do it if you have a favorite one or if you want to help spread delegated stakes more evenly. Connect Tezos dApp wallets. We recommend using the Temple wallet. First, you need to open the voting section. Select the Vote tab and choose the token pool you would like to delegate LP tokens from. Decide how many shares, LP tokens, you want to lock in the voting contract. Scroll down until you see the field marked as Baker. Here you can either select a baker from a drop-down menu or enter his address manually. Then press Vote. Confirm this transaction in your wallet. Wait a minute, you will see a success status. That's it, you successfully voted the baker. Your LP shares will be locked, but you can withdraw them at any time and cancel your vote. You can vote for a different candidate anytime, but remember that changing the baker will reset your reward receiving process. Important: your shares are LP tokens. When you vote for a baker, you stake these LP tokens in our smart contract. As a consequence, they can be used in other DeFi projects. Also, the LP token balance in your wallet will show 0. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about Tezos.